We are pleased to show you the 2017 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Taking candy from a baby is easy in theory, but you should really think twice about trying it.
Luckily, buying a car is easier than ever at Nissan of Athens, Georgia's fastest growing Nissan,
where you'll find our #1 rated customer service and bottom line prices on an incredible lineup of new Nissans and a variety of pre-owned vehicles. Every deal backed by our promise to give you an honest quote and the best customer service possible. Plus, if Nissan of Athens doesn't have the vehicle you want in stock, we'll find it and deliver it right to your door.
There are easy ways to satisfy your change of credit. No easy way to buy a car from shopping at Nissan of Athens.